Hello and welcome back to KM Webverse. This is Kashif Mahmood. In this video I will tell you how you can upload and manage files in Shopify. So when we go to settings, earlier the files option was used to show in this option in settings, and there you were able to manage and upload your files in Shopify. So now you can see it is not showing over here. So let's see how we can do that now. So we will have to close this, and here we will have to go to this content tab, and here you can see files is showing over here, and we can go to that option, and here you can see the images that we have uploaded until now, and we can upload new images over here. We can click on them, we can delete them in bulk, and we can also just click on this link button and copy the link for the files. So that's how you can manage the files in Shopify. That's it for the video. If you have any question, do let me know in the comment section. If you have liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more related videos. See you next time.